Good morning students. Welcome to the e-classes of Rock Gold Academy. I, Sakshi Dwivedi here with class 2nd chapter number 4, that is subtraction. So let's start. Our first topic is addition and subtraction statements. See in this, here are 10 stars, 6 are brown stars, see here, and 4 are yellow stars, see. From this, we can write the following statements. From these stars, we can write these statements. See, 6 plus 4, this 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? 6 plus 4 is 10. This 10 minus 4, we get the answer 6. And 10 minus 6, we got the answer 4. These statements we can make from this. See the example. See here some balls are there. Let's count the green balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many green balls are there? 5. And how many yellow balls are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many are these? 4. And total these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many are these total? 9. So, dash plus 4 is equals to 9. What we have to add in this 4 to make the sum 9? What we have to add? We can add 5 to it, right? So, 5 plus 4 will become 9. Next, 9 minus 4. This 9 minus 4 will get the answer 5, right? Next, dash plus 5 is equals to 9. What we have to add in 5 to get the sum 9? We will add 4 to it. Dash minus 5 is equals to dash. See, if we do 9 minus 5, we will get the answer 4. This topic is our mental subtraction. When two numbers are close to each other on a number strip, we can subtract one number from another using forward counting, right? See the example 51 minus 48. These are very close to each other, so we can do this subtraction through this number strip. See, we have to move forward counting, right? From 48, we will move to 51 and the answer will be the jumps we count, right? So let's see how many jumps from 48 to 51. 1, 2 and 3. How many jumps we have taken? 3 jumps. So our answer will be 3. See here, I have also mentioned steps for this. See the first step. Start from smaller number and move to bigger number. Like we have moved here from smaller number to bigger number. Second step is start at 48 and jump towards 51. One step at a time. We have to jump one step at a time from 48 to 51. See, we have done like this only. We have jumped one step from 48 to 51. Third step, the number of jumps we take to reach 51 is the answer. See here, the number of jump we have taken here. See how many jumps we have taken? 3 jumps. So I have told you the 3 is the answer, right? Same way, here we take 3 steps from 48 to 51. So 51 minus 48 is equals to 3. Our next topic is subtraction on number grid. You know very well this is a number grid, right? You have seen this in addition chapter also, right? In this, we have some subtopics. The first subtopic is subtracting a number less than 10. First, we will discuss how to subtract a number less than 10. In addition, we move forwards, right? But in subtraction, we move backwards. You have know very well, right? So, the first example is 30 minus 8. Let's find where is 30. Let's find out. See here. Here is our 30 and we have to minus 8. So, we have to move backwards 8 steps. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, our answer will be 22. Next, 42 minus 5. See where is 42? See here. Here is our 42. And we have to minus 5. So, we have to go 5 steps backward. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The answer is 37. Next subtopic is our subtracting tens. To subtract 1 10, that is 10, 2 tens, that is 20, or 3 tens, that is 30, from a number, we just move upwards by 1, 2 or 3 boxes respectively. See, do you remember, students? In addition, if we have to add 10, see, suppose we have to add 40 plus 10. So, we have moved downwards, right? But in this subtraction, we have to move upwards, right? See the example, 68 minus 10. So, where is 68? See here, right? Here is our 68. So, we don't have to move downward. We have to move 10 steps upward. So, this we got the answer 58. So, let's write here 58. Next, 79 minus 30 means we have to move 3 steps upwards, right? See, where is 79? See here. Here is 79 and we have to move 3 steps upward. 1, 2 and 3. So, we get the answer 49. Let's write here 49. Next subtopic is subtracting through tens and ones. Just now we have discussed subtracting tens and now we will discuss subtracting through tens and ones. To subtract a number that lies between two tens, we split the number into tens and ones. We subtract tens first and then ones. Right. See the example, 48 minus 25. Right. We have to minus 48 from 25. So, first we will do like this, what we have done in addition also. Right. This 25 will be written as 20 plus 5. Okay. Then this 48, first we will do 48 minus 20. We can easily do through this number grid. 48 minus 20. See, where is 48 and minus 20, we will move 2 steps upward, that is 1 and 2. We get the answer 28. See, right? Then 28, this 28 minus 5. So, 28 minus 5, see where is 28? Here, right? And minus 5. So, we have to move 5 steps backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We get the answer 23. See, I have written here plus to show you that you have done it in addition also, right? But here it will be minus, right? So, 48 minus 25, we get the answer 23. Next topic is regrouping numbers. See, in this exam, we take an example 24. We write this 24 as 20 plus 4, we can write. And this 20 we can write as 2 tens. And this 4 we can also write as 4 ones. In subtraction, we can write 1 10 as 10 ones. Students, do you remember in addition what we have done? See, this is an example of addition. In addition, we have done 10 ones, we have written 1 10, right? But in this subtraction, we will write 1 10 as 10 ones, right? See here, 2 tens plus 4 ones. This 2 tens, we can write as 1 10 plus 1 10, right? And 4 ones. Now, this 1 10 plus this 1 10 ones, right? 10 ones plus 4 ones. So, 1 10 plus 4 plus 10, 14 ones, right? In second example, 8 tens plus 1 1. 8 10 we can write as 7 tens plus 1 10, right? And this 1 1, right? This 7 10 write as it is, and this 1 10 can be written as 10 ones and plus 1. So now 7 tens plus 10 plus 1, 11 ones. Next topic is subtraction with regrouping. Sometimes while subtracting 2-digit numbers, the bigger number may have a smaller digit in one's place, right? In this case, we regroup numbers and then subtract, like 83 minus 25. See here, this 3 and minus 5. We cannot minus 5 from this 3, right? This is Now we have to do regrouping. So the first step is subtract the ones. First we have to subtract ones, but we cannot subtract 5 from 3. I have told you before also, we cannot subtract this 5 from 3, right? So we regroup 83. 83 we can write as 8 tens plus 3 ones, right? This 8 tens can be written as 7 tens plus 1 10, right? And 3 ones. So this 10 ones plus 3 will become 13 ones. So 7 tens plus 13 ones we can write it. Right. Now write 7 in tens column and 13 in ones column. See. This 3 has become 13. So we have to write 13 in ones column, and this 8 becomes 7. So we will write 7 in tens column. Next. Subtract. Now subtract ones. 13 minus 5. Now we can subtract this 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now subtract the tens. Now we have to subtract this tens. So 8 has become 7. So 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So 7 tens minus 2 tens is 5 tens. Write 5 in tens column as an answer. So thus 83 minus 25 will become 58. So our answer is 58. Next topic is subtraction for comparing. We can use subtraction to compare two numbers. The difference between numbers tell us how much greater one number is than the other. Let us see this through a statement example. Rihan had 50 pencils. Shruti had 32 pencils. How many pencils does Rihan had? Rihan had 50 pencils. So 5 at tens place and 0 at ones place. And Shruti had 32 pencils. So 3 at tens place and 2 at ones place, right? So what did it ask? How many more pencils does Rihan had? Rihan के पास कितनी ज़्यादा pencils हैं? So we have to minus it, right? But see here is 0 minus 2. We cannot minus 2 from this 0. So we will regroup it like this. We have done here. See. This 50, we will make the 0 as 10 and 5 as 4. How we have done this? Like this I have shown you before also, right? So now we can do 10 minus 2 is 8 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So Rihan have 18 pencils more than Shruti. This is called subtracting for comparing. Next is our checking subtraction using addition. Students, we can also check our subtraction, right? That this subtraction we have done is right or wrong. We can check it by using addition. How we will do it? Let's have an example. 52 minus 37. We know that from 2 we cannot minus 7. So we will regroup it. Means this 2 can be made as 12 and this 5 will be made as 4, right? So 12 minus 7 we can do it right now. We can draw sticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we can minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many are left? 5. And 4 minus 3, we know that it is 1. So we get the answer 15. But now we have to check it that this is our right or wrong. So we will write this answer, this sum in the top 15 and this 37 we will write downwards. Now we have to add 15 plus 37. So 7 plus 5, how much is this? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many? 12. So we will write 2 downwards and 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1 is 5. See this, 52 and 52. If it matches, means our answer is correct. Our next topic is whether to add or subtract. While solving story sums, we have to add or subtract, right? While solving these word problems, we either add or we have to subtract. So there are two rules of doing this. How we will understand that we have to add it or we have to subtract it. See, when question asks how many left or how many more, right, we have to subtract it. This is a clue for knowing that this is a subtraction question. What is the clue? In the question, there may be written how many left or how many more. If it is written, this left and more is written, then we have to subtract it, right? And the second one is when the question asks how many in all, means how many are total. So we have to add. Let's check out some examples and you will tell me what to do, right? First, there are 36 boys and 44 girls in a class, right? How many boys are there? 36 and 44 girls in a class. How many children are there in all? Right, this all. When this all will come, we have to add. So, how many boys are there? 36. And how many girls? 44. Right. We will write this in this place also. 36 we will write 3 in tens place and 6 in ones place. And 44, 4 in tens place and 4 in ones place. Now we have to add. Why? Because all came. So we will add this. So 6 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 0 at ones place, 1 at tens place, right? And 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. So our answer is 80. Next one. There are 94 animals in a jungle. How many animals? Total animals are 94. If 82 animals move away to another jungle, if 82 animals gone away to another jungle, how many animals moved in another jungle? 82. How many are left in the jungle? This left. What we have to do in this question? Minus, subtract. We have to do subtract. So, we will write 94, 9 at tens place and 4 at ones place. 82, 8 at tens place and 2 at ones place. So, we will subtract it. So, 4 minus 2 is 2 and 9 minus 8 is 1. So, how many animals are left in this jungle? 12 animals are left in the jungle. So, here we come to the end of the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. And if you like the video, like, share, subscribe. And yes, do not forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.